Hi everyone, right, it is Tuesday morning. I'm going to document our day today. Basically everything we're going to go through. I've got a house visit up in Halewood. Got a customer who wants a couple of fires, but they want me to go down and have a little check. A few little bits to do in the showroom, and we've got an exciting meeting. We've got to speak to a window showroom down in Essex. So hopefully, yeah, a few sales, a few customers in. We've got a few returning customers for Latios today, so it's going to be a busy one, but yeah, we'll keep you updated as the day goes along. First protocol, important job. Tap out of order in the showroom, so they give the least technical minded person in the DIY screw, and then let's get it fixed. I have fixed to come in and tighten my nuts for me, so we can take our sign off tap, Paul. Enjoy himself. In the morning we clear all our social media inquiries. Right, I've just had a customer who's come in from Heighton in Liverpool. Now in our showroom behind me here, we've got the Verona base on its own with the Panoramic 1250. Now we don't offer that online, we do offer it in store. Prices are up on the wall. If there is anything, so for example, say one of the Panoramic suites like the Lazio, the Roma, say if you only wanted to buy the base, then if you contact us, then we can look at doing a custom sale for you. We'll work out your price and then you can purchase that on its own. So because it's on the website doesn't mean it's not available, because a lot of people just like to build a media wall above the actual fire there. But that guy's came in, once it's all been built, he's then going to come back to us again because he's gone for Italian grey on the base. Now over there, seeing the way this has got a couple of shelves, he's doing 3 shelves either side, and he wants Italian grey shelving as well. So once it's all done, he's going to come back with some measurement, we've sorted them a price, so we'll come back with some templates, and then they can be fitted at any time. They will just slot in there, and he can put a few little blobs of adhesive. But yeah, he's going to do a full media wall, but we've got the marble factory next door, and he can have that consistency of that Italian grey on the base, and then on the top as well. And there's our column there with another set of customers. But I think today's going to be a very busy day. I'm going to try and slope off soon. I've got to go to witness to a customer's home. Apparently it's like a building site, but they want a couple of fires, so I'm going to take the time to go up there. I think it's going to be a good project to catch it from start to finish. Everyone, right, I'm just in front of a customer's house, and as you can see, it is a actual building site at the moment. Now what the customer was toying with, they're looking on putting a bed here in this room, and looking on doing like the 700 setup with the TV on here, but we've found there's going to be a problem. If the door opens, it's going to hit where the bed is. So we're going to have a wall going across, and we've got a much bigger wall to do that setup in the showroom. The one which we've got the titanium Galaxy 700s in the corner, which they're going to do as a, so we're going to have a corner suite. We're going to do the wood panels, which we're going to be offering, be there, and then the new marble base, which we're about to launch. But that'll look unreal in here, but it's, and then behind me, customers going to be going for the ensuite and the dressing room, but her bed can then back onto that area, which yeah, no, it's going to look smart. Downstairs we're going to go and have a little look at the other setup. Number 2, our customers toying about with what walls. Yeah. So you come in through the door here. Now we're toying about going on this long wall, or whether putting it here and then having our back to the window with the L-shaped settee. But I think we're going to go all the way across here. They're going to be the distance from the couch to the TV and the fire. 65-inch TV is going to work perfect with this one. Let's take it into room 3. Watch our builds is here. There we go. So this is the kitchen. Big island going in there. Now we're going on this wall. It's a 5-meter wall, so this is the same as we've got in our showroom. Customer was thinking 65-inch, but now we're going to go 75-inch TV. Just a media wall, media 2000s, and that's going to work perfect in there. It's a good sized room as well. Great for sports in the family. But yeah, let's get all this quoted up, and then when the customer gets a little bit closer to it, we get our fires delivered, so we can store the fires for as long as you want. But yeah, it's serious setup, serious work going into it. I'll do my 2 pence in the bedroom setup, and I think it's going to work. But yeah, no, look good. Nice project to be involved in. So just getting back from Woodlands Farm up in Cronton Witness. Customer is going to go then for those couple of fires, couple of panoramic fires, brand new setup we're going to be doing along with the acoustic wooden paneling that's coming in. Got my car valeted yesterday though, and it was a building site, and carpets and everything a wreck now. But yeah, no, it's good. Coming back now, just as a phone call before whilst I was on site in that house, a property developer down in Romford. He's fitting a few displays, a few window showrooms. I was struck up a good relationship with this fella quite quick. You get sometimes, I'll be completely honest, you can put a lot of work into a lot of customers, and then you have some days you don't feel that rewarding, even though you're putting loads in. But that groundwork we put in, that rapport, giving customers our private numbers, answering every single question they've got, giving them total peace of mind and ease of knowing that he can't come up to Liverpool to view our fires, but he's just went and bought, this property developer, he just went and bought two 2000s and two 1500s with the upgraded luxury logs. They're going in a showroom, which is then going to be displayed to more and more customers. We're going to see our fires, and it's good, and it is rewarding when they do all start dropping and these sales. It's a very busy day today. I wanted to do a video on the Lazio, exactly everything you get with it for our YouTube, but it's too busy to do that today. But it's good busy, sales busy, and you can't get any sort of better day than that. So back into the showroom now, bit of dinner, and we'll crack on and see what the gang have been up to. Right, just about to grab a little bit of dinner whilst Colin's tackling another set of customers. Healthy option. So Colin's out there today. He's been in the showroom most of the day, seeing most of the customers today. He sells himself short a little bit. Colin's the one who took me under his wing when I first started here, and he's just brilliant with customers. Honestly, customers love him. Lovely way about him, and it comes across really genuine. It's a pleasure to work with the fella, him and Paul, and our sales team. We've got a few diamonds in there. It's it's really good. Customer feedback as well. There's a reason that we're rate is excellent, 4.9 out of 5 on the social media. You know, it's good. It's good. But I had a target in mind for today of what we wanted to do sales wise, because I knew it was going to be a decent day, and we've done it, and it's not even 1 o'clock, and we've hit that target. And then we crack on now with some more sales, make some more customers happy. I'm going to price up, quote this work that we're going to do for our customer whose house I've just been to. Make sure our fires get put on to go down for our customer down south. He's got 4 fires now. Normally he wanted them as soon as possible. If he wanted them next day delivery, if he goes online, that's going to cost it's going to cost £400 or £396, so normally £99 for next day delivery. We had a van going not far from there, so we've just put that on, and we haven't charged them any extra for it, so we saved £400 on that. So if you're ever looking to get a fire, ring us up, see if we've got a van in the area. It makes sense, and you'll save yourself some what this fella saved £400 within 24 hours of ordering. He's gonna have his fires, and that's down in Romford. That is excellent service, and if you just seen that, you would have seen a bit of sweet potato. Go on the table, so I'm going to clean this up. It's got customers in at the moment who are interested in the Denver suite, and also the Step Elite with the 1170. Got a 65-inch TV going above it, but they've worked out their space. Basically, it's a 72-inch suite, and they've got 72 inches on their wall. What we can do, we can take that in from a 72-inch suite to the 68-inch suite, 2 inches off each side, bring it in proportion. Then you're going to see that little bit of chimney breast see that little bit of chimney breast or the breast wall, to give you that bit of space so you don't have to go end to end. But we can do that. So if there is any special sizes you want to do on a suite, and to see if we can do it, it's at no extra price, you give us a little call and we can change that up for you. So we've got a 65-inch TV with a 72-inch, so being able to show the customer this is exactly what you can have. But we're just going to take the suite in that little bit more, but I think they're going to go for probably go for the Denver. Denver's lower down, so it's more ideal to have a TV above it. Look how black my hair is there on the back, never get to see that. Shame in me. Right, we've just got our samples in of the acoustic paneling that we're going to be offering, so you too can have that same wall behind us. We're doing a poll on our social media to see which is your favourites, to make sure we stock all the right colours for yourselves. So, end of the day, cups being washed in the cupboards and we're going home, and it's been a very successful day. We go again tomorrow. Got a few customers who have sent pro forma invoices over to be paid, and so there'll be a few new sales to drop in there tomorrow. So we can, if you've got a buy-in for a company, we can send you out a pro forma invoice. We can get you your VAT receipts, will go over to yourselves, anything like that, just request. But no, great day. Team have performed excellently, and then we'll start documenting a little bit more. So there's a few things I didn't get around to today, doing my Lazio video. Hopefully it's busy enough tomorrow that I don't get anywhere near it, but no, we'll have plenty more content coming out on our YouTube page. Thanks.